If you're suffering from grade 1 or grade 2 piles or anal fissures, then the right medicines along with the right usage makes a big difference. Let me explain how to use them correctly. These medicines are generally given for 2 weeks. If you feel good relief along with these medicines, you can continue them for 1 month and then come for a follow-up. If in between 2 weeks you feel there is not big difference, you can immediately come for a follow-up. If for any reasons coming for a follow-up is not possible, you can safely continue these medicines further as they are plant-based medicines. Anoac Edge Tablets. These are plant-based anti-inflammatory tablets. These help with swelling, bleeding and pain associated with piles or fissures. These tablets don't act instantly. It takes at least 5 to 7 days for them to start working. So do not get discouraged if you don't find instant relief. Anoac Cream is a plant-based cream and it works only when it is used correctly. And the correct way to apply it is gently massage it around the anal region for at least 5 minutes. You can also apply it half to 1 centimeter inside if advised. Anoac Spray. This is an instant relief from burning and pain. It can be used before passing stools or after passing stools or anytime during the day when you experience discomfort. This is a convenient substitute for sitz bath. Also, it can act as a substitute for a painkiller when you're at work or if you're traveling. Constac. Constac is available in two forms, a powder form and a tablet form. Constac acts as a mild laxative, but the timing is important. It should be taken 11 hours prior to your usual bowel movement. So if your normal bowel movement is 7 a.m., take Constac at 8 p.m. the previous night. Taking it too late may reduce its effectiveness. 1 teaspoon of Constac powder is usually equal to 2 tablets of Constac. If 1 tablet of Constac causes you urgency or increased frequency, you can reduce it to half tablet. If Constac doesn't provide adequate relief, we may recommend you Constac Plus. Constac can cause mild abdominal pain or cramps for a couple of days, but that is temporary. If patient has unbearable pain and wants sitz bath, then a sitz bath tub is also available. It is also available on OPD basis. Sometimes, along with these symptoms, patients also experience acidity or bloating. For this, we recommend a tablet called Acidine Plus. These tablets are recommended to be taken before food. So, if your symptoms persist or worsen, you can consult your doctor immediately. Also, Healing Hands Clinic is open 24/7 for our patients.